And what did sweet Veruca say?
Daddy,
Yes?
buy me North Korea.
When Veruca says,
Buy!
it's like a battle cry. And when Veruca says,
Mine!
well, I've jelly for a spine. And if Veruca said,
Please.
I know it was a tease before her.
More now out my thanks, bye!
And when she finally falls asleep, we'll pray and say amen. Till tomorrow when it all begins.